about driving at night in the snow. You want to make sure you have good windshield wipers, that your headlights are clear. We're driving about 15 miles an hour because there's black ice potentially on the ground. The temperature's around 32 degrees. So we want to be mindful and be extra safe in these conditions. You can see trucks ahead. Looks like a tow truck up there. Someone could have broken down. So we want to stay more to the right and be careful and just look and check. They're waiting for something and we want to be safe and move forward. We got a stop sign up here, so we want to stop before the sign for 3 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003, but we can't see. So we have to move forward. It's called showing the car. And then we look left or right and we're gonna wait. We have a vehicle moving, they're turning, we're waiting. That other car's pulling out. If you can't see, you roll down your windows. Now you can see more. It's cold, but you can see. Vision is so important at night, and sometimes you have to sacrifice being a little cold to see. But now I can make my turn and I'll let up my windows. It is a little slick out here. And then I just accelerate through the turn, and now I can settle down and test the surface of the road. So I'm gonna squeeze the brake. See, if I slide, I don't, so I'm good. I just wanna settle down, see where the car is, see where the road surface is, and start my driving behaviors of looking and checking. Mirrors are good, keeping good following distance, and I can see, because when you get weather like this, people tend to drive very reckless and not concerning themselves with others. It's about the common good. So I'm gonna get in this middle turn lane and squeeze my brakes. Then I'm gonna go in real slow. Just take my time. We all have to eat, so we're gonna come up here and I'm gonna follow the route. We don't wanna cross the striped or the zebra crossing, and I'm gonna position my car, and then I straighten up my wheels. Also, this car is starting to get a little bit warm. You can see the ice starting to melt, and we just want to be safe. Look like that guy missed the gear. So I'm gonna move forward, move up, just take my time.
Welcome back. Will you be using the mobile app today? Hi, I'll be ready with you.
Thank you. We just want to be courteous. I'm a firm believer in that.